Hello guys, your boy Wisdom Boy coming. I've come again today to tell you what I saw. Back in the days, there's love in sharing. They share love. They live like one family. But now, our Yovo people, that is in Docha, they don't come destroy everything to joining Nigeria. Now, we are fighting for our freedom to live the way we live back in the days.
Ọzọ ụbọchị a na-akpọ ya day ọzọ nke a bụ bịa kom mgbe mmadụ ji azọsi ike